Setting the documents options. Before you start drawing your circuit, it's good to set up the appropriate document options including the sheet, size, and the snap and visible grids. In configuring the document options, the properties of most objects including the schematic sheet are configured in the Interactive Properties panel. The panel automatically displays the properties of the selected object, or if no object is selected, it displays the properties of the schematic sheet or the PCB design space. First, if the properties panel is not visible, click the panels button at the bottom right of the application window and select Properties from the menu that opens. Second, the General tab of the Properties panel in its Document Options mode, when nothing is selected, it is divided into following sections: Selection Filter, General, and Page Option. Each section can be opened or collapsed through the small triangle next to the section name. Third, select a template for the schematic sheet from those that are stored in your workspace. In the Formatting and Size region of the Page Options section, select the template mode. Then select the ANSI B landscape under the section of your workspace in the template drop-down. Fourth, the Update Template dialog will open. Select Just this document for the Choose Document Scope option and add new parameters that exist in the template only for the Choose Parameter actions. Then, click the OK button. In the information dialog that opens, click the OK button. Fifth, for the visible grid and snap grid, set the 100 mil value. Sixth, to make the document fill the viewing area, select View and then Fit Document. 7. Save the schematic locally. Right-click the schematic in the Projects panel and select Save.